Happy New Year's, everybody. Out here at my Nana and Papa's house, and here's their Goodman. It is a 2004 Ford Sun, straight cool. Currently running in cool mode because of the weird Texas weather we got. Oh yeah, that is nice. Lukewarm, nice hot and sweaty. By the way, this thing's got a Copeland scroll for people who don't know. Well, that was cool. And here's my Papa's fireworks that he works hard to set up every year. I did have a video that I was gonna upload on Christmas Day, but I didn't get time to editing it, so yeah. Maybe I'll try again next year and we'll do a full detail